Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and we are doing another CVS Shop With Me video. And if this is your first one watching of mine, yeah, I work here at CVS and I show you what interests me from the sales that's going on. I actually record these preferably on Sundays, but I give myself enough time to edit and upload and all that. So I try to post these every Thursday. So you can still get the sales Fridays and Saturdays. Well, Thursday, Friday, and Saturdays because I upload it at 1 o'clock. So, and I buy mostly makeup, but there's other stuff that I buy too. Today, I got 4 bags of Doritos with a bunch of makeup. So, anyways, yeah, I forgot to do my intro earlier, so this is actually afterwards. But yeah, if you don't know me and this is your first time watching, yeah, I do these. This is like my 3rd one. I'll put it in my description box below of my past CVS hauls. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get on to this video. Alright, the first deal I'm going for is this. I'm going to get 5 of the $4.94 bounce sheets, 80 count. I'm going to get 5 of them. That way I can get the 5 extra bucks when I spend 20. I have to make sure that I get above 20 because I do get a 20% discount working here. So I'm going to pick 5 of these bounce up. We don't have the sales prices up all the way yet. So I'm going to put 5 of these up. So regular, they're $5.99. And they're on sale for $4.94, and then when I spend $20 I'll get 5 extra bucks, and who knows, I might get even more off because of the app sales and plus the 20% discount I get. Alright, so they have a sale on Joah Cosmetics. Spend 12, get 5 extra bucks, and y'all need to let me know what I need to get next from this, because I've not tried any of it, but I have watched a lot of reviews on YouTube. But I didn't really see that many people getting the brushes, and I really want to get these 2 brushes. So, but that's only going to be like $10. Like I said, I get a 20% discount, so I got to be careful. I got to spend enough. See, how much is that? Maybe I don't know what I'm getting. Let's see. Yeah, so I'm gonna get these brushes. That is $5.19 a piece, and I'm also gonna get one of these eyebrow pencils in brown, because I don't have an eyebrow product in my collection right now, but I think I'm going to get a Covergirl one. I'm not sure yet, but this one's only $3.99, so that should give me the 12 bucks in order to get the 5 bucks. Alright, so the next thing I see is the spend 10 on Select Essence Cosmetics, get 4 extra bucks. So, I think I'm going to get this. It is a eyeshadow primer, Essence I Love Color Intensifying eyeshadow base, and it's going for $3.49. And then I think I'll get an eyeshadow palette, which I don't know which one yet. I think I want to look at that blue one right there first. Yeah, I think I'll get this one because it is going for $10, so that plus my discount plus the eyeshadow base. And the reason I want this one the most is because I'm kind of looking, it's not exactly what I'm looking for, but it's close to it. I'm looking for a blue that is this color but more metallic. than this. But we'll see how like shimmery it is. Like I want that blue as metallic as this one, or as glittery or shimmery as that one. But this is a good color story, and I need some more blues in my collection, so I'm going to get this one. Alright, the next thing I want to get is these Doritos. 2 for $4 of the 9.775 ounce ones. My little girl and my husband ate 2 in like 2 days, so I'm going to get 4 this time, so it'll be $8. But that's where I can spend some of that extra bucks, and I know it's not going to go to waste. Alright, next deal is buy 2 on any Covergirl cosmetics, get 7 extra bucks. And y'all voted, 50% of y'all said I should get this Covergirl Expressionist Uncensored Waterproof Mascara for $12.49. And I was going to get a brow product. I don't know, maybe I still will. I think I will still get the brow product because, you know, they go out really easy, so that'll be $9.49. And I know I have a coupon on the app that will save me, I think, $4 off of any 15, and then I get 7 extra bucks and a discount and all that jazz. Alright, so the last thing that I wanted to get is the any e.l.f. cosmetics, spend 15, get 5 extra bucks. And I stood here for a little while, and I have decided I want to get the Luminous Putty Primer. I have not tried it yet, and it's going for $10. And I also want to try out the foundation. And I think I'm a little bit darker than the lightest shade, but maybe not. Could be just lying to myself, but I think I'll get the second shade to the lightest, which is the color Snow. I don't think I have pink undertones, but maybe I do. I really don't know. I think I'm more neutral, but whatever. It's for $8. So 10 plus 8 is 18, plus I'll get my discount and spend 15, get 5. So that's all I'm getting. Now let's go to the checkout. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, we got a lot of makeup and we got some Doritos. So I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, and let's go over a little bit before we leave. So I'm in the car after buying all of this stuff, and I put it on the you know, here's all the receipts. I did 5 transactions, and one was kind of like an accident, but I fixed it. So but yeah, overall I spent $67 out of the 5 receipts, and I saved $56.43, and the retail value was $123. So overall I saved 54% on all these products. So I'm very, very happy. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know them in the description or the comment section below. I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, I can't wait till the next one. I love doing this. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. Y'all start a conversation in the description box so I can talk to you guys. I really love talking to you guys, and not too many of y'all really talk to me in the comment section anymore, so I should be having plenty of time to dedicate some time to comment back to y'all. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with all this. I got a bunch of new makeup, and yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can come and see me next Thursday to see what's on next week's sales. All right. Bye.